Hey y'all, hey. So once again, Pixlr has updated and everything is looking different and new. So you can just go to pixlr.com. It's still free. Go to pixlr.com and once you're here, click the E editor, create new. I've already done this one, but I'm going to show you from scratch. Create new. And used to it was like full HD or whatever, but now they've had all this stuff. So just click photo, portrait, 8 by 10 and hit create. And in this screen, I already downloaded a PNG of a hoop earring. So I'm just going to go click file and open image. And I'm going to go to where that is, which is here. I'm going to open it. I'm going to unlock it over here. And I need to size it down. And what I'm going to do here is grab this selector tool or marquee tool and drag it over this one and then just hit delete. Delete. So delete. Let's cut it. I don't want to cut. I just want to delete it. And then Control D to deselect. Now I have this by itself. What I want to do is make it larger. Actually, I want to copy. So I have it selected. So I'm gonna push Control X to copy or cut it from that one and post it over into the 8 by 10 we created. And then I want to size it up. You can size it as large as you want or as small as you want, but since this is going to be kind of like a mock-up or a preview of earring for your customers or clients or whatever, you want to make it large so it's good and visible. So I have that, and I want to double click over here in the layers panel, and I want to lock it. So now that that's locked, you want to pull in maybe if you create it, you could create your font in here. So let me do that. The text box is over here. If it's off screen, let me pull this over some text box, click text. Yes, you want to add a text layer. And let's just add the word love. And we'll make love as large as the text box. And with that done, let's go up to layer and let's add a raster on that. So we can go ahead and make it an image instead of just text. So we can move on to the next step. Let me step back actually. So with it being, let's click on the text box over here. Let's go in and do some formatting with the letter spacing, and let's slide it together a little bit. This is just showing you if you want to create everything in here, you can. So let's slide it together for your nameplate. Slide it together so that they touch, and then I'm going to go to layer and raster that. Now it is an image layer. So with that being selected, I'm just going to make sure it touches the earring across the middle. Okay, now with how you're going to style this, whatever you're going to use, you can go to Google and find glitter cardstock images or glitter images and gold foil images, whatever you want to find to use to make this mock-up for your customer to see before they buy your products. So you just go over to Google and find something you like, which I've already done that. And I'll go open that into here. So you just file, open your image. I have a glitter one here. I'm going to open it. Same thing with my foil. So with that being said, I'm going to Control A to select this foil, and then I'm going to copy and go back to your main working area, and then just hit edit and paste or Control V. And once you bring that in, you want to make that as big as you can over the text. And we'll cut it off for a second. And for the text, click on the text layer and hit duplicate. Once you do that, then you'll turn one of them off. It don't matter which one, just turn one of them off. Put this text layer above the gold foil. Turn the gold foil back on. Make sure you select you're on the text layer and go up and select pixels. That way it will select your name. So with that being done, you want to right click on the text layer, and in blend mode you want to hit mask. While that is open, you want to hit merge down, and it will merge that together. Turn on the other text layer, click on it, and click edit, and you want to add a stroke. You can make it a color so you can see what's going on if you want to. So you make the stroke as big as you want. And actually I put the gold on the wrong, but I'll leave it like that just because on the wrong thing. But it don't matter. So apply that. Once you get the stroke the size you want, apply it. Then go back and grab your Control A, your glitter or whatever you are making. Go back and grab that image, edit, copy, edit, paste. You'll want that to make that large as well over the text. You can cut that top text off, and you'll slide that behind the second layer of text. And then with this layer selected, of text selected, go up, select pixels. Right click, blend mode, mask, merge. Now you can cut this layer back on. And to get it look more realistic, you can select that top layer and go to filter, and you can add a drop shadow. And you can move that around until you get it how you like it. Then once you've done that, you can go get you a background to use in, you can get it from Google. So let me just go grab something. Okay, so I just copied the image I saw on Google. I'm going to see if I can paste it in. Just paste it in. And then move it to the back. As you see, it's kind of hard to see, so you want to get one that maybe will make this pop a little more. So let me grab something else. Let me just grab a solid background. Actually, let me just fill this one. I'm going to fill it with black for right now. You can use any image back there. So you fill that with black. And then for this, I want it to look a little bit more realistic. So I'm going to add a bevel to it. And I'm just going to tone back the black a little bit. So okay. And let me see if I like a bevel on this one as well. Tone back the black. Yes. Apply. So now you just file, save, and you want to save it as JPEG or PNG, whichever one you want. Save it wherever you would like on your desktop or your computer or wherever. And that's pretty much all you need to do to make a quick little mock-up. I hope this helps.